Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error on SmartThings app on your device. So as we know that SmartThings helps us to connect, monitor and control multiple smart home devices quicker and easier. You might face any kind of error, so to fix those error you need to simply watch this video. First thing, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a very stable internet connection on a device, so that you won't face any kind of error. And secondly, there might be various updates on your app, so you need to simply go to your app store, or if you are an Android user you need to simply go to your Play Store. After clicking on the app store you need to click SmartThings. So now you will get the app SmartThings. Or now if you see any kind of updates on your app, you need to simply update your app, and you can also fix the error which you are facing. And third, you can simply go to your settings, and after clicking on settings you need to simply click on the general. After that you need to simply click on the iPhone storage, and you can simply search your app SmartThings. And after searching the app SmartThings, you need to simply, after searching the SmartThings, there you can see the option offload app. You need to simply click on the offload app which is highlighted in color blue. After clicking on that you will see the install app. You also need to click on the reinstall app which is also highlighted in color blue. After clicking on that, your app will get reinstalled and any kind of error which you are facing will be fixed. So also you can simply reinstall your app. This is how you can fix the error which you are facing while logging SmartThings app on your device. So hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.